Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat yakisoba. Making some assorted yakisoba. I'm always checking my fridge, so I'm just finding the real special item. This one is Chinese pickles, zasai. Very famous Chinese, little bit hot, spicy veggie. I'm gonna try to mix up with my yakisoba and using my favorite item, garlic sprouts and mushroom, enoki and ring and yuzu mushroom, kikurage and hakusai and carrot and things like pork meat. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. And garlic. This. Chop. This ginger and garlic and chili. I'm gonna use 2 frying pan. Oil. Salad oil like this. Meat. Side. Yuzu mushroom. Noodle. Chicken soup powder. Pepper. Dashi. Sesame oil. starch and water a little bit. Like this a little bit. Done. So this is a serving plate. Hot boiling water like this. Keeping warm. Yakisoba noodle, semi-hard type. Okay, let's start to eat my assorted yakisoba. Very easy to make. Cheers. This is hot sake. So good. いただきます。ガーリックスプラウト。白菜ライス。Semi-hard type yakisoba. Like that. Good texture. Good balance, so tasty. So this is very easy to make. I'm just show you how to make it. So you can use any kind veggie in your fridge. Just a make arrangement. So pre-treat your good yakisoba, semi-hard type, using 2 frying pan. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time. My kitchen. Thank you. Have a good year. Yakisoba. Bye. Thank you.